Hello guys, welcome once again. In the last video, I've shown you how to add rows to your data grid view and how to use your data grid view. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the selected row from your data grid view. So let's get started. I will take a button from here and I will change its text as remove row, and I will change the font size also to bold and 16 so we can see this button text. Okay, now I will just double click this button and in here I will write data grid view 1. Okay, so first of all, instead of this data grid view 1, I forgot to give the if condition, so I will write if my data grid view 1 dot, so I will just cut it from here, and instead of this, if my data grid view 1 dot selected rows dot count is greater than 0, then, and I will also provide an else condition. Okay, so if my selected row count is greater than 0, then I will remove the rows. Otherwise there is no rows to remove, or there is no rows to select. So I will just show the message box dot show that no rows to select. Okay, now in this if condition, what I'm going to do is I'm going to declare a for loop for I as integer is equal to, once again, your data grid view dot selected rows dot count minus 1 to 0, and we will step minus 1 at a time, so I'll write step minus 1. Okay, and in this for loop what we are going to do is we are going to remove the rows. So I will once again just copy this data grid view name dot rows dot remove at, and in the bracket what we will give the index of the selected rows. So just copy this data grid view 1 once again dot selected rows, and we will give the index which is I dot index. Okay, so this is the code, and if you want you can just copy the code from here to here. Okay, now let's check whether it's really working or not. So I will add some random names first, some name, some surname, and once again. Okay, now I selected this row from here and I want to remove this row, so I will click remove row and my row is removed. Okay, and for example I select this row and both removed, right? So you can also remove multiple rows. I selected all the rows and I say remove row and all the rows are removed, or you can just remove the rows one by one. Okay, so in this way you can remove the rows from data grid view using your Visual Basic Windows Form application. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.